In the vibrant music scene of Malawi, a new star has emerged, captivating audiences with her soulful melodies and timeless charm. Jetu, an elderly artist based in Blantyre, has taken the country by storm with her latest hit single, Chakwaza. Managed by the talented MUD, Jetu's rise to fame is nothing short of remarkable, as she defies age stereotypes and proves that talent knows no bounds. Chakwaza, a mesmerizing composition that blends traditional Malawian rhythms with modern production, has quickly become a sensation, garnering over 200,000 views on YouTube and counting. The song's infectious beat and heartfelt lyrics have struck a chord with listeners across the nation, earning Jetu a dedicated following and solidifying her status as a trending artist in Malawi. What sets Jetu apart is not just her musical prowess, but also her remarkable journey in the industry. Despite her age, she exudes passion and dedication, embodying the spirit of resilience and perseverance. Her ascent to prominence serves as an inspiration to aspiring artists everywhere, proving that with talent and determination, anything is possible. MUD, Jetu's manager, has played a crucial role in her success, providing guidance and support every step of the way. Under his expert direction, Jetu has been able to reach new heights, capturing the hearts of fans both young and old with her timeless music. As Chakwaza continues to climb the charts, Jetu shows no signs of slowing down. With her unmistakable voice and unparalleled stage presence, she is poised to become a fixture in the Malawian music scene for years to come. Her story is a testament to the power of music to transcend barriers and unite people from all walks of life. In a world where trends come and go, Jetu's star shines bright, illuminating the path for future generations of artists to follow. With each soul-stirring note, she reminds us of the beauty of Malawi's rich musical heritage and the boundless potential of its artists. As she continues to captivate audiences with her music, Jetu's legacy is sure to endure, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of all who listen.